बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज का टॉपिक बायोगैस। बायोगैस वली वुचो ये बायोगैस क्या गो? ये बायोगैस क्या गो? Dealing with wastes has become a nightmare for various people all over the world and no doubt has brought about sanitation problems. Power has also become a major concern, especially in the less privileged rural areas. Integration of these two problems would be a plus point for various communities. From biogas, various components can be powered by properly making use of the gas obtained. Less pollutant manner can be obtained ultimately. Biogas is clean, environment friendly fuel. Biogas is generated when bacteria degrade biological material in the absence of oxygen in a process known as anaerobic digestion. Biogas generally comprises of 55 to 65% of methane, 35 to 45% carbon, 35 to 45% carbon dioxide, 0.5 to 1% hydrogen sulfide, and traces of water vapor. The heating value of biogas is about 60% of natural gas and about 20% of propane. Biogas has corrosive nature and storage of biogas is not practical. Anaerobic digestion is basically a simple process carried out in a number of steps that can use almost any organic material as a substance. Conventional anaerobic digestion Conventional anaerobic digestion is a liquid process where waste is mixed with water to facilitate digestion. Since biogas is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide, it is a renewable fuel. Process of biodigestion. Biogas production anaerobic digestion is a multiple stage process in which some main stages are liquefaction, acid production, acetate production, methane production. Process of biodigestion. Process of biodigestion. Liquefaction. Complex organic matter is degraded to basic structure by hydraulic bacteria. Protein use polypeptide and amino acid. Fat, glycerine and fatty acid. Amylase use monosaccharide and polysaccharide. Acid production. Simple organic matters are converted into H2 and CO2. Acting bacteria in this process are called hydrogen producing bacteria and acid producing bacteria. Acetate production. The short chain fatty acids are metabolized by synthropic acetogenic and homoacetogenic bacteria into acetate, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Methane production. In this process, acidic methane H2, CO2 are converted into CH4. Methane producing bacteria have strict pH requirement and low adaptability to temperature. Utilization of biogas. Cooking. Biogas can be used for cooking, for lighting, for power generation, transport fuels, etc. Here, this table shows biogas production potential from different wastes. For example, cattle dung, it can give biogas production 40 liters per kilogram, methane content in biogas, etc. Here, this table you can see this. Benefits of biogas: availability of power at affordable rates, reduces pollution, reduces time wastage while collecting firewood, reduces reliance on fossil fuels, saves on the environment, reduces deforestation, improves living standard in rural areas, reduces global warming, produces good quality enriched manure to improve soil fertility, effective and convenient way for sanitary disposal of organic wastes, improving the hygienic condition. As a smokeless domestic fuel, it reduces the incidence of eye and lung diseases. Countries having biogas production potential from different wastes. These includes India, USA, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Germany, China, etc. Disadvantages of biogas: the process is not very attractive economically on a large industrial scale. It is very difficult to enhance the efficiency of biogas system. Biogas contains some gases as impurities which are corrosive to the metal parts of internal combustion engines, not feasible to set up at all the locations.